Welcome back to Cooking Simulator game tutorial. In this video I will show you how to implement a stack of plates. At first I want to rename BP dish to BP kitchenware because it matches better with the context. However, before I recommend to remove it from the current level to avoid engine crashes. After that, rename it. Okay, for all kitchenware create a folder named kitchenware. Move BP cookware and kitchenware to the new folder. And open it. Then from the kitchenware class create a child class named BP plate. Next, inside the interactable folder, create a class inherited from BP table called BP plate box. Open the new class and make lava the cube. Next, open the event graph, add a variable called default plates amount, of type integer with 4 as the default value. Also add a variable called plate height of float with 5 as the default value. Move these new variables to the category plate box. Create a function called initPlates. This function will be used in the begin play event to generate a stack of plates. Add a loop with 1 as the first index and default plates amount as the last index. And call spawn actor from class BP plate. For spawn transform, create transform. For spawn transform, create transform and split allocation. Copy X and Y from object place world location. For that, set the sum of object place Z and plate height multiplied by index minus 1. After the plate spawns, we have to disable its physics. Call remove physics. Also attach this actor to object to place. Change all rules to keep vault. We also have to store the plate somewhere in a stack. For this goal, let's add an array variable of BP plate called plates. The last step in the initPlates function is adding the spawned plate to the array. Next, open the event graph and in the begin play event call initPlates. Also open the level and place the plates box in the scene. Check how it works, and it generates well. As a next step, we have to make these plates grabbable. Open BP plate box and in the event graph implement the grab drop event. At the start of the event, check if the array is not empty. If it's true, check if the last plate can be grabbed by player. To get the last plate in the array, get the last index of the array, then call get for the index. If the last plate can be grabbed, call the grab event. Also override the grab event, where you call the grab of the last plate in the array After that, remove the last item from the array. Then open the level and check how it works. As you can see, with every plate you grab, the stack becomes lava. And when the stack is empty, you will not be able to grab anything. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!